I've been making this dessert for over 20 years. Every single one of my kids asked for this recipe when they moved into their own homes. And now, they make it for their kids. Some recipes never go out of style. And this one? It's pure family tradition. Let's start with what we need. Let's start with the base. Start with the graham cracker crumbs. Then add the melted butter. Mix and press into your baking dish. This buttery crust is what holds all the memories together. Now the creamy filling, cream cheese. Next, you add the sugar. Then crack in the eggs. And don't forget the vanilla extract. Beat until smooth and silky. Pour the batter over the crust. But what makes this dessert unforgettable is what goes on top. I'll show you in part 2. This is where the magic happens. We use fresh blueberries. You can also mix in blackberries or cherries. Spread them generously over the cheesecake. Bake until set and slightly golden. Let it cool completely before slicing. When I serve this dessert, it reminds me of birthdays, holidays, and loud family dinners. It's not just cheesecake, it's memories. Lately, my recipes haven't been reaching everyone. So if you see this, please leave a like or a thumbs up so I can keep sharing these family favorites with you. Thank you for being here.